Hi dear students, now we shall discuss the second question in the third exercise. The question is, a metallic sphere of radii 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm respectively are melted to form a single solid sphere. There are three spheres, so radii of three spheres are given 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm. Okay, so radii means a plural form of radius it is. Okay. Now we are going to melt these three spheres and we are going to form another single solid cylinder. So one sphere we are going to form by melting these three spheres. Find the radii of resulting sphere means we have to find the radii, means we have to find the radius of this sphere. Okay, we have to find the radius of solid sphere. Now let us take the given data first. Let radii or radius of first cylinder, first sphere, radius of first sphere, that I will take it as R1. How much it is? 6 cm. Next, radius of second sphere, I will take it as R2, that is 8 cm. Then radius of third sphere, that is I will take it as R3, 10 cm. Okay, we are melting these three spheres. We are going to form another one single sphere. Okay, so we know already concept. If you are forming one solid into another solid, so volume of this solid must be equal to the volume of the formed solid. Okay, so volume must be equal because we are going to melt these. Then we are forming the new sphere it is. Okay, now we have to find the radius of this sphere. Let us take that radius as small r. Okay, these are different and that r also different because we don't know r how much it is, 6, 8, 10 or other than this we don't know. We will take it as different. Now volume of first cylinder, first sphere plus volume of second sphere plus volume of third sphere is equal to, okay, is equal to what? Volume of is equal to volume of new sphere. This is what? Volume of new sphere. Because we are melting these three spheres, we are forming one new sphere or resulting sphere. So what is the formula for this? For first sphere I have taken it as R1 radii. This will be 4 by 3 pi R1 cube plus, for this 4 by 3 pi R2 cube plus, for this one 4 by 3 pi R3 cube is equal to, now this one, this is 4 by 3 pi R cube. Okay, this I will take as only R. Okay, now in these three I can take 4 by 3 pi common, 4 by 3 pi take outside, inside R1 cube plus R2 cube plus R3 cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi R cube it is. Okay, 4 by 3 pi R cube. Now here 4 by 3 pi can cancel. Remaining is what? R cube is equal to right side. Now R1 cube, where is R1? 6 cube it is. 6 cube R2 cube, that is 8 cube plus 10 cube. Okay. Now 6 cube means 6 square is 36 into 6, that is 36 6 are 216 I think. 36 6 3 is 18 20. Okay, right. 21 216 plus 8 cube. 8 cube means 64 into 8 it is. 8 4s are 32, 8 6 are 48, 51, 512 it is. 512 plus 10 cube it is how much? 1000. Okay, 10 cube it is 1000 is equals to, so total how much it is? 1728. So here R cube is here 1728, but R I want means cube root of 1728. So that is 12 centimeter. So here R value is how much? 12 centimeter. That is the radius of the resulting sphere it is. Now we shall discuss the third question. So for the second question you write the conclusion. So that is the radius of the resulting sphere is 12 centimeter. Wrote the conclusion. Okay. Now the third question. A 20-meter deep well with a diameter 7 meter is dug and the earth from the digging is evenly spread out to form a platform 20 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. Here, so initially there was a, so we are going to dig a well. So means the well is in the shape of cylinder. So let us take this as a well. From this well, we are taking the earth, means the soil. Okay. So we are digging the well, and the earth from this well or the soil from this well, we are going to form a platform. That platform is in the shape of cuboid. Okay. So platform. So let us form that platform here. It will be in this shape. Okay. So it is in the shape of what? Cuboid. Okay. Now it means what? The earth from the well is to use to form a platform. Means the volume of this well must be equal to the volume of this platform. Okay. This platform is in the shape of cuboid. Okay. So here dimensions of platform are given. L, B is given. But we have to find H, height of the platform. H we have to find. Means what? Volume of the well is equal to volume of the platform, we can say. Now let us take first given data. Diameter of the well. Well is in the shape of cylinder. So diameter of well, or I will take directly radius. Radius of well. So that I will take it as R. 7 divided by 2 centimeter. Okay. Now platform dimensions. So here that is length and breadth is given. L is 22 meter. Breadth B is 14 meter. We have to find a height H. No, not it is in centimeter. It is also in a meter. Okay. So now volume of well. Volume of well is equal to volume of platform. Volume of platform. Now, so volume is in the shape of cylinder. So the volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Okay, pi r square h. Now here deep means height of the well. Height of the well is also given. That is, I will take it here. Height of well. Height of well is equal to, that I will take is the what? H is equal to how much? 20 meter. Okay. So here given data 20 meter deep well means, so deep means it's nothing but height. Height of the cylinder, that is what? H. Pi r square h is equal to volume of platform, that is LPH. Platform is in the shape of a cuboid. Okay. Let us substitute the values. So but here HH same is there. I will take this as H1 and this as H1. So H means height of the platform. H1 means height of the well. Okay. Substitute the values. Pi value 22 by 7. R square. R value is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. H1. H1 value is 20. H1 it is 20 is equal to LPH. L value is 22. B value is 14. H we have to find it. Okay. Now let us simplify this. 7 get cancelled. 22 get cancelled. Then 7 1s are 7 2s are. Okay. Next 2 1s are 2 10s are. Okay. 2 1s are 2 5s are. Now left side 5 is there only. Right side 2h. Now here what? 5 is equal to 2h. I want h only. Now h is equal to what? 5 divided by 2. So that is in a meter. So here height of the platform is 5 by 2 meter. I'll write it in decimal also. 2.5 meter. Okay. Now at the end you should write the conclusion. Height of platform. Height of platform is equal to h is equal to how much? 2.5 meter. Okay, 2.5 meter. Discuss the fourth question. A well of diameter 3 meter is dug 14 meter deep. So there was a well. We are going to dig that well. So diameter is 3 meter. Radius will be 3 by 2. Deep 14 meter means height of that well. So that is 14 meter. Next, the earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around it. So we are taking that earth from that well. Now we are going to spread so that soil or earth all around it in the shape of circular ring. So in the shape of circular ring, circularly we are spreading that soil, okay, or earth. Width of that ring, circular ring is 4 meter to form an embankment. So already we see this term, that is embankment. Embankment is nothing but we already use this type embankment in our lands, so that that embankment won't allow the water to go out of our land. Okay, so that is embankment. Okay, you usually use that in our lands only. Next, find the height of the embankment. We have to find the height of embankment. So embankment was in the shape of circular ring. So it means cylindrical circular. Circularly is there, but the shape of the embankment is circular, or means cylindrical. Okay, cylindrical. So let us take first what we can take. So it is a well. So this is a well. Okay. Now, from this well we are taking earth and we are spreading this earth all around it to form an embankment. If suppose the water is filled with this well and it comes off, it cannot go out. So in that way you have to form an embankment. So that is embankment was in the shape of cylinder. So let us form it. I'll form an embankment here. This is in the shape of cylinder. Okay. Okay. Next, width of this embankment is given. So this is the bank. This is what? The bank of the well. From this bank we are spreading, this is soil, it is soil it is. So the width of this is how much? It is 4 meter. So this they have given is 4 meter. Okay. Next, let us take this as center of the soil. Now radius, diameter is given 3 by 2. So diameter here to here is how much? 3 divided by 2 meter. From here to here 3 divided by 2 meter. Okay. Now let us take the radius. Radius of well. Well, I will take it as R1. 3 divided by 2 meter. Next, height of well. Height of well. That is H1, I will take it as 14 meter. Okay, now this is all about well. So pi R square H, R1 square H1 it is. Next I will come for embankment. Now here embankment was in the shape of cylinder. So let us assume that this has a gap it is. It is a well. So this is what it is, a embankment. So this is circularly is there. So that circular ring it is. Ring was in the shape of what? Cylinder. So here the width is given. Width is given. I want the radius of this. So radius from ear to ear. Ear to ear how much it is? Ear to ear. So this radius and this radius both are same. That is 3 by 2. From inside area. From inside I am taking. This is embankment. Inside of this embankment, that is R1 only. That is 3 by 2 only. From ear to ear or ear to ear both are same. Next, I will take another one which is from here to here. This is out of this. Means this one. From the center to here, I will take it as R2. Now here I will take it as R2. Let what I can say R2, the radius of embankment. So that I will take it as R2. This R2 can be written as what I can write. So this is from here to here R1. Then after width it is there. R2 is nothing but from here to here it is capital R. So sorry, small R2. So that is R1 plus 4. So this is R1 value is already 3 divided by 2 plus 4. So 8 plus 3, 11 divided by 2 meter. This is what R2 I can take. Now, so H value, height we have to find. Height of the embankment we have to find. Radius of the embankment is given. Now we have to find, we can write the formula volume of well is equal to volume of earth. Volume of earth used for embankment. Means volume of embankment is volume of well is equal to volume of embankment. This is what pi r1 square h1 is equal to. Now this I can write as pi r2 square h minus pi r1 square h, where h is the height of the embankment. Why have taken this? So let us take this as embankment. From the center to the outside, that radius I have taken as R2. From the center to outside is R2. From the center to inside it is R1 radius. Why I use minus means I want to find the volume is here only. That inside gap is there. So embankment it is outside of the well. Inside there is a gap. But I am taking radius from the center of the well. So means inside some gap is there. There is no soil at all. So that from outside, from the center to outside minus from the center to inside. So volume pi r square h2 minus pi r2 square h minus pi r1 square h. Now next step. Here I will take pi common. R1 square, that is 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 h1. H1 value is how much? 14. Now in this two I can take common pi h inside R2 square. R2 here is how much? 11 divided by 2 into 11 divided by 2. 4 to the 8 plus 3, 11 by 2. Minus R1 square. R1 value is how much? 3 divided by 2 into 3 divided by 2. Now here, pi get cancelled. This h we have to find. Height of the well we have to find. Not height of the well. It is height of the embankment. Now here, 2 ones are 2 7s are. Next left side what will be there? 3 into 7 divided by 2 only. Right side. H into. Here how much is this I can write here as 11 121 divided by 4. Otherwise you can take LCM. So here 11 121 divided by 4 minus 3 3s are 9 divided by 4. Now this is 6 3 3s are 9. 63 divided by 2. H into. Here LCM is 4. 121 minus 9, that is 112. Am I right? 112. Next 2 ones are 2 7 2 2s are. Next 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are. Now H value is how much? 63 divided by 56. Okay. Then after, so 7s are, 7 8s are, not 7 8s are, 9s are. Next is 7 8s are, 9 divided by 8. So that is how much meter it is. So that is a height of what it is? Height of the embankment is 9 by 8. Therefore, height of embankment is equal to 9 divided by 8 meter. Okay. This is how we can solve. This is very important. Why I have taken this one? So most of you have problem here only. Why pi r2 square h minus pi r1 square h. So this as a well. From the center of the well you are taking. So in this one there is gap. There is no soil. There is no embankment. So embankment is only here. So that from the center to outside minus from the center to inside. Pi r2 square h minus pi r1 square h. So here height of the embankment is 9 by 8 meter. Now let us discuss the fifth question. The question is, see the question. A container shaped like a right circular cylinder having diameter 12 centimeter and height of 15 centimeter is full of ice cream. So there was a container in the shape of cylinder. It is filled with what? It is filled with ice cream only. This is filled with ice cream. So here diameter is given. So diameter is 12 centimeter. Then radius of this one is 6 centimeter. Diameter is 12 centimeter given. So here radius will be 6 centimeter. Then height of this cylinder is 15 centimeter. The height of this cylinder is what? 15 centimeter. Next after. The ice cream is to be filled into cones of height 12 centimeter and diameter 6 centimeter having hemispherical shape on the top. The ice cream in this cylindrical container is filling into some cones. Those cones are in the shape of having hemispherical top. So this is a cone with a hemispherical top. Then find the number of such cones which can be filled with ice cream. So to fill this ice cream with the number of cones with a hemispherical top, how many cones I can fill this ice cream? Okay, we have to find the number of this type of cones with the hemispherical top. That is very important. Hemispherical top. Now here height of this cone is 12 centimeter. So from here this is how much? 12 centimeter. Then after, so diameter is 6 centimeter. So this will be what? 3 centimeter diameter. Okay, we have to find a number of cones. Now here for this cylinder I will take data. Height of cylinder is equal to, that I will take h1. That is how much? 15 centimeter. Am I right? Next, radius of cylinder, that I will take R2, 6 centimeter. Next I will go for a cone. Height of cone, that I will take H2, that is 12 centimeter. Then now radius of cone is equal to radius of hemisphere. Can I write? Radius of hemisphere. Radius of cone is equal to radius of hemisphere. So that I will take it as R2. How much it is? 3 centimeter. So that is how much? 3 centimeter. Next, so let us take number of cones. Let number of cones is equal to number of cones. I will take them as n. Okay. Now I can write the formula. Volume of ice cream in this cylindrical container is equal to n into volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Okay. Now here volume of cylinder is equal to n into number of cones. Volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. This is very important. Volume of hemisphere I must write because the cone with hemispherical top is there. Now let us write the formula. Volume of cylinder, that is pi r1 square h1 n into volume of cone, it is 1 by 3 pi r2 square h2 plus volume of hemisphere, that is 2 by 3 pi r2 cube. So radius of hemisphere I have taken as r2. Now let us take common. Pi, here pi I can take common, and also 1 by 3. So here I will take common. Pi r1 square h1 is equal to, in these two I can take common as 1 by 3 pi into n is there, into n. Inside what? r2 square h2. r2 square h2 plus, now 2 will be there, 2 r2 cube, 2 r2 cube. Otherwise r2 square also I can take common here, r2 square also I will take common, into r2 square. If I take r2 square, remaining is h2 plus r2 square taken outside, 2 r2 will be there, 2 r2. Okay, now pi get cancelled, pi get cancelled. Substitute the values. r1 square, so here r1 value is how much? Now this I will take as r1, not r2. Okay, so r1 value is 6, 6 into 6, h1 value is 15. 1 by 3 into n into r2 square. Here r2 value is how much? r2 value is 3. 3 into 3. Inside h2 is there. So h2 is how much? h2 value is 12 plus 2 into r2. r2 value is again here taken it as 3. So this is 3. Now let us simplify this. 3 get cancelled. Now 6 6 are 36 into 15. Now this is how much? 3n inside 6 plus, that is 18 it is. Next here 3 1s are 3 2s are. Am I right? Next, then after I can cancel this. 3 4s are 3 6s are. Okay, 2 2s are 2 3s are. Left side of 2 into 15, that is 30 is there. Right side 3n. Now here n I am getting it as what? 10. Okay, so number of such cones, number of cones is equal to how much? 10. Let us write the conclusion. Number of cones is equal to 10. Okay, number of cones is equal to 10.